Good day and hello. I'm Van Silon G. De La Cruz, and my topic is how to persuade investors to fund a business idea. I will be tackling the business idea aspect and the way it should be presented alongside having a good first impression and some minor things. While all of these may seem simple to do, there's always a better and more complicated or knowledgeable way to execute these factors. And as always, it is purely dependent on the person himself or herself who is presenting these business ideas, which brings me to my first point, the business idea itself. Of course, everyone knows that the idea should be creative and unique. And while that does help in persuading investors, the creativity of the idea should be based around your investors themselves. Depending on who your investors are, some may focus on some aspects than others. Maybe some would focus on how your idea may be good for the environment. Some may focus on how practical the idea could be when executed. Or some may focus on how labor friendly it may be. You should study your investors and find that general field that they are looking for. You should base your idea around that field and make it stand out than others that not only caters to their liking, but gathers their interest from start to end and leaves them thinking about your idea. Which brings me to my next point, how you should present your idea. Being formal, confident in what you present, as well as being knowledgeable in it, is clear and should be expected. However, it is important to have credibility, to have some sort of history, example, or prototype that you can show that this idea of yours has an audience that it could work out in the end in the long run. Truth be told, some, if not most, business ideas mainly start getting investments before even producing the product or before a prototype has been made, which often leads to failed expectations or the money being misused. But by showing some history or an example that there is a following that cares and are looking out for your idea, it is a good reason for the investors to fund your business idea. Of course, to have this prototype, history, and examples, you may have to spend some of your own funds to do this. However, please remember that investments are for the long run to help you sustain and develop further. Now, speaking of history and examples, I would like to tackle about gaining an audience, spreading your idea from mouth to mouth. I would say spreading your word already and having a following audience or even getting a story out to any news sites, articles, and possibly more sources can significantly boost your chances to persuade your investors because again, you already have an attraction, an audience that looks forward to your business idea, which gives investors a choice that may make them regret later down the line if they didn't take because what else is there to ask? A business idea that has a small or large audience that are following or are excited for which guarantees customers, which guarantees profits. Now, in a short conclusion or summary, you should study and learn your investors and how they work. Who and what type of business ideas are they most likely to fund? Make a unique and creative idea around that field, enough to stand out to them. And finally, have credibility from a following and show history of example that this idea is worth for them to invest in. Now, before I end off, I would like to point out about my first aspect, about how standing out amongst others. See that water bottle over there that's been behind me since the beginning of the video. That is what I would like to make an example of. To stand out among the crowd and to gather attentions, not just to the investors, but also to the public, to form an audience. Thank you and have a good rest of your day.